In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GPU in Kaggle. So the first thing you have to do here on the Kaggle's website, you want to of course sign in and you want to go to create and then create a new notebook over here. Or of course, you could also open an existing one in case you have one already. Then you want to go over here on the right hand side where you can see it says notebook and you want to scroll down and you want to extend these session options. Now here, if you have verified your phone number already, you'll see the accelerator option. If you haven't verified the phone number, down at the bottom here, it's going to say that if you want to use GPU, CPU, and stuff like that, you'll have to basically just verify your phone number. And to do this, you'll just have to basically click over here somewhere, and then you can, of course, verify the phone number, type in your phone number, you'll receive a code, type in that code, and that's literally all you have to do. It will take you 1 minute. After you do that here, just refresh the site, and then under session options, the first option will now be accelerator. So to use GPU, click on here where it says none, and then you have two different GPUs available here. Select the one you want and click on it, and then here you can just go ahead and click on turn on GPU. And when you do this, as you can see, I successfully have turned on my GPU and I can now use it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.